Welcome to AK Kids Fun. So we got some paint and colorings, yeah, and then we got some colors in this box. So I'm gonna color some drawing. We're gonna take time, and then we have to do the same coloring. Begin with this. I'm not sure what this is called, but I think this is some kind of food. So this is my coloring we're gonna do. So first we need the brown. So the brown will go in here. And we must take our time. We shouldn't rush. And kids, please leave a comment that if you want us to do more videos like drawing, coloring, or robots, anything you like us to do. So now I'm done with all the brown. So yeah, I'll show you what I've done. So this is now the brown is done. And by the way, I'm using felt tips. I'm not using normal colors. And there's two on each side, but one's like that and then one's like this, so they're upside down. So next we need the orange, and this is, I think it's a peach. So we got the orange, and now we're gonna start. And kids, if you want us to do more drawing, please leave us like lots of comments and likes. One peach, now I'm going to do the second peach. I've done the peach. You can see. Just give me 1 sec. There you go.